Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Candace for those who are new here, and I do fashion, beauty, lifestyle videos. Speaking of fashion, this is a get ready with me video where I'll be doing makeup, and I wanted to tell you guys about a new app called Covet Fashion. And basically it's an app where you can put together looks and plan outfits. Sounds like a dream, right? But there's actually more than that. Let's dive into the app and show you all it has to offer. So you can style winter collections of various famous designers such as Badgley Mishka, Nicole Miller, and Rachel Zoe. And you actually get daily prizes within the game and exclusive discounts to shop retail. Discounts are my middle name. Should be yours too. And these discounts are not just applicable. It's not just on the app, you know? These are actually discounts that you can use in real life at real stores during the month of December. Covet Fashion is not just a game, it's actually a virtual, interactive styling platform that launched in June 2013. It digitizes the collections of over 150 brands. Just a few of those that I've already mentioned. But they have so many more within the app. And you can virtually style with millions of women. So no matter how you look, no matter how your hair is, you can basically put together an outfit from one of these amazing collections. New styles are released into the app daily. There are also 6 to 7 different style challenges. From the practical first date look to the fantastical Roman warrior look to dress up for. You can customize skin, hair, and makeup. So no matter if you're full glam like I am today, or if you want to go as a natural beauty, you can play around with whatever you want in the app. It's all customizable. There are also a variety of different body types, so more realistic models and also more everyday body types. They're all featured within the app, and you can truly see how things will look on you virtually. Covet Fashion winter season is here, and also you can enjoy prizes throughout the month of December. All the prizes are winter themed, and you get real life discounts, or real life discounts to use in the real life stores, which are all Covet brands. And if this all sounds amazing like it is, be sure to click the link in my description bar down below, and you get exclusive gifts just for clicking the link and downloading the app through that link. Alright, so on to today's look. I did a very vibrant makeup look using the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette, which looks like, put it up a little too early. This is the Amethyst Obsessions palette, and it's basically a palette of purples. And I did it pretty bold. I did a couple of colors, or one color not from the palette, for the look. I did basically a gray on the lower lash line, and I did a pop of teal on the lower lash line, kind of complementing my hair and also my sweater. So, if you guys would like to see how I achieve this makeup look, keep watching. I have already used my Too Faced Shadow Insurance all over the eyes as my primer. So I'm gonna move on to my Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette. I've never done an official look using this palette, but I've had it for such a long time. The first color I'm gonna go with is this lighter pinky purple at the bottom left here. I'm gonna take a fluffy crease brush. This is just a random one from Do Color. It's the number 3. Ever seen it? Super intense, which is what we like on this channel. Brow highlight, I'm taking MAC, that's not it. Naked Dark Pigment. This is a sample. You're not gonna be able to see it. Maybe when I open it, you will. It looks like that. This might be too dark. I'm gonna see. Dumping some into the lid and, whoa, not that much. Dumping some into the lid. I'm taking that same brush. I'm cleaning it off with a clean towel. Gonna go underneath the brow with this. This is also gonna help blend out those harsh lines. I'm adding a smidge more of that purple. Like so. Make it as intense as you want. For the lid, I think I'm gonna go in. I don't want to be too matchy with what I'm wearing. Although, I definitely could if I wanted. I think I might still. I'm gonna take this purple here. It's a nice shimmery royal purple. Hopefully that intensity picks up. I don't think I've ever used this color. If I did, it's been quite a while ago and I don't remember how well it performs. Taking a flat brush, use whichever you have. This is from Sigma. It's a flat 252 or Essence 252. Don't wear purples as often as I should. Of course, I'm leaving the outer corner bare. Going back in with that crease brush, no additional product. Well, I'm gonna take a little bit more of this color at the bottom left that I used, and I'm gonna go into the inner corner and smooth that out, just in the inner corner for now. For the outer V, I'm taking this darker purple. It's the darkest in the palette. It's a dark matte plum shade. This is just a Coastal Scents BRCN08. It's really tapered and pointy. I'm really packing it on because I want it to be darker. Gonna slowly start to blend it. Again, I'm going to the crease, that lighter purple we used. This time I'm going all the way in. Go back and forth until you're satisfied. I'm gonna take that tapered brush, actually, dusting it off. I'm having a little trouble blending out this side. So I'm dusting that off, and I'm taking that pink I used in the crease and taking some of that onto the tip. I'm going to be a little more rigorous with this blending. Now, because that is so intense, I'm gonna match it with the other side. And then lastly, go back into the crease again. No additional color, just make sure it's smooth on both sides. Now I'm going to do the inner corner. For the lower lash line, I'm actually gonna try to complement my sweater. I said I wasn't gonna do that, but I am. I changed my mind. I'm actually gonna take a gray. This is from Revlon. It's one of their So Fierce final eyeliners. This shade is called Force of Steel. These are amazing. If you see something under my nose, I promise they're clean. I don't know what this is. I think they got stained somehow. I do clean under my nose. With the Gel X, you really have to be careful. Anyway, I'm just trying to explain what my nails look the way they do underneath. As you can see, there's color under there. It's not like food or something gross like that. Anyway, I'm gonna apply this to the lower lash line. I'm stopping shy of the inner corner. Into the waterline. I'm actually gonna use, this is Marc Jacobs Highliner Matte Gel Eye Crayon in Whirlpool. This is gonna give me what I'm looking for. For the inner corner now, I'm gonna grab a shimmery purple in the palette. I'm gonna go with this really light one here at the bottom, middle. And I'm going to use the same flat brush. I'm just really cleaning it off. Y'all know I don't like 10,000 dirty brushes. So that's not what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this onto the inner corner and bringing it down. I'm actually gonna go in with a gray eyeshadow at the bottom because I feel like it's kind of dissipating. The color I'm going into is called Smut. It's like the perfect shade because I want it to remain gray. I do not want black. Although you could do black if you really wanted to. Excuse my broken nail, do not come for me. I am going to the nail salon in about a week. And y'all probably won't know when that is because I upload all my videos out of order. Just to throw that out there, do not come for my nails. I know it looks a hot mess, okay? I'm taking this on the lower lash line. I'm smoking it out lower than that eyeliner is. If you need to add more of that pencil liner, feel free to do so. I think I will. I really like the look of this. And don't worry if you bring it too low, we can always fix it later. For a liner at the top, this is the NYX liquid eyeliner in jet black. And I'm almost to the point of using it up because it's starting to dry out. Alright, I'm tired of redipping, so this might be the last time I use this. Yeah, I'm done. I don't have patience. This is dried up. It's been great to me. It's going in my Amethyst video. My next one of my future ones. This is basically the same thing, except maybe a little better. This is the Juice Beauty liquid eyeliner in black. Is that what it's called? I'm assuming. It comes in a little luxe looking container like this. We're gonna use this instead and pick up where that left off. I'm actually gonna go over this. As you can see, it's extremely black. But actually first, I'm gonna use a trick that I learned from one of my favorite luxury bloggers. Her name is Kaylin Alex on YouTube. You should definitely check out her videos. If you're into luxury content, I love them. She's so personable and her makeup is always on point. Gonna try something I learned from her. Normally I do concealer first, but I saw her do, I think, foundation first and then go on top of concealer. That's what I'm gonna try and we're gonna see how that works out. I'm taking the Circa Color Balance Liquid Foundation and number 8 mixed with the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation and Marquise's. Too light and too dark, so I always mix them together. Apply them. This is a Donut Lace 480. I'm just going to concentrate this mostly around the areas where I need coverage, which is around the mouth. And then go around my eyes. Going kind of like in stippling motion around my hairline because I don't want any rough edges, like the hair pops up after you slicked it down already. So I go really gently around that area. Okay, I think there's enough coverage. Y'all know. Although I wear a lot heavier than I used to. Y'all know when I first started YouTube, I didn't wear any foundation. So I've come a long way. You gotta give me my props, okay? Now I'm gonna do concealer. This is freaking me out. But I'm gonna go in with a lighter one because I saw her use a really light one. Maybe this is what I was doing wrong. This is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Medium Dark 32. This is too light. We're gonna mix it. Don't worry. Oh my God. Oh my God. We're gonna try this. This is a Morphe M334. It's one of my favorites for concealer. Gonna try to stipple this on. I know she uses a sponge, but I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna pull it down. Pull it down kind of into my highlighter area. I really like that. Don't worry, I'm gonna blend it. Don't. Relax, okay? I'm also not used to using this much concealer. Oh my gosh, I'm about to freak out. I need to touch up smut. Where are you, smut? Smut got messed up. Could have totally done that at the end, but I want it fixed now. I gotta get used to doing concealer last. I'm going all the way up as I would my highlighter. I'm not sure if she does that, but I always bring my highlighter up to kind of open and stretch the eyes open, as if I need that, right? I have big eyes already, but you know. I'm gonna go in with my foundation brush. No additional product unless you need it. And I'm blending that out. I really like this. I think I'm gonna use that technique from now on. That's the thing. Nobody knows everything, you know? You always have something to learn from other people that do the same thing you do. And that was a great technique I learned. Just, you know, because I used to do concealer then foundation. Now I can do foundation and concealer. And it's a great thing because it gives me more coverage underneath my eyes, which I'm sure all of us could use if you're in my age range. No. Gonna just dot over my nose to make sure it's blended well with my foundation. Okay, I'm also gonna do something I don't normally do. I'm gonna take my NYX HD Finishing Powder and I'm going all over the face. Y'all know I don't do that. This is a brush from this Runway brush set. I'm particularly focusing it in the areas that I don't want shine, which is basically everywhere except where I place the highlighter. I do like the dewiness in that area, so I'm gonna leave that. I'm gonna go around the edges of everything else. You could definitely swirl it if you want. Swirling will add less coverage. However, I don't need shine down here. I'm gonna go underneath my eyes because I have so much product there now. And this is translucent, so this will work for any skin complexion. I'm gonna take some here too. I'll just add highlighter. Who cares? I really like the coverage of this. I'm like a whole new me. I'm gonna do eye makeup before I completely forget about it. This is the Laura Geller Lash Boss Mascara. Totally forgot about the rest of my eyes. Just got so excited to move on to the face since I learned something new. I'm gonna go in with some lashes and let those dry while I do the rest of my face. That concealer is not too light after all. I just have to learn how to do it properly. And wasting product, but that's okay because I have a lot of product to waste. Next, lashes. These are the Miss Adoro number 28s. Basically, the number 28s you find at your beauty supply store, the same as these. gonna go ahead and contour my face. I need to practice doing that more often because I love the look of it. This is MAC, one of my holy grails. I've used it for years. This is the Sun Power Mineralized Skin Finish by MAC. It's such a gorgeous bronzy color for my skin complexion. And as far as brush, I'm just gonna use a MAC 168. And bronzer up. Again, I'm tapping around this region because I don't want any flyaways popping up out of nowhere. And I really have to put extra bronzer up here because if you can't tell, my colorist missed some regions of my hair dye where I'm still blonde. And I don't want blonde hair popping out of random areas. So by bronzing that up there, it helps blend it better into my, and a little bit of setting powder on top. I've never spent as much time on my face, but I really like the fact that I did that. Okay, for highlighter, I would use a cream one, but I've already put powder all over my face and I don't want to put cream on top of powder. I'm gonna use the ColourPop Wisp Super Shock Cheek. This is their pearlized, which are the highlighters. A fan brush if it works. If not, we're gonna have to use some fingers. I don't know why I do this. My nose runs non-stop and no product stays put there. I'm gonna do a dab of blush. This is ColourPop Yes She Did Matte Super Shock Cheek. I'm just gonna take a little bit onto a MAC 116. Any blush brush is just fine. I'm not gonna do double color like I normally do. I'm gonna do nude, not a nude pink. I really want a nude brown. This is the Carity Lip Lock in Sugary Sweet. This might be too light. We're gonna see. Actually, in case, I'm gonna take a lip pencil underneath. This is Stripped Down Lip Pencil by MAC. Fill the entire lip in, just as a base in case this is way too light. It's not. Oh, yes. This is the perfect nude lip combo. That's it for the look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'll have all products that I use linked down below in a blog post. Also, don't forget to check out the Covet Fashion app if you don't already have it, and put together some looks and get inspired. Rate the video, subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Turn on those post notifications so you don't miss anything that goes live. Also, subscribe to my luxury channel if you have not already. Lots of fun stuff to be posted over there if you're interested in that type of content. Talk to you soon. Thank you for watching.